We're going to convert the function y equals negative 1/2 x squared plus 2/5 x minus 2 to vertex form by partial factoring. Well, the first thing we're going to do is common factor the first two terms, including the leading coefficient. I need to divide 2/5 by negative 1/2. 2/5 divided by negative 1/2 equals negative 4/5. So when I common factor out the first two terms, this is what I get. I can then determine the x values of the points where the parabola intersects the line y equals negative 2 by focusing on this part of the expression and letting it equal 0. That gives me x equals 0 or x equals 4/5. Well, the axis of symmetry is halfway in between those two values. So 4/5 over 2 is 4/5 divided by 2, which is 2/5. So the x value of my vertex is 2/5. I can then determine the y value of my vertex by plugging that x value into the function equation. And when I do that, plugging in 2/5 and follow some simple rules of fractions, what I get is 4/50 minus 2, which is 2/25, because 4/50 reduces to 2/25. 2 is 50/25, and I get negative 48/25. That's the y value of my vertex. The x value of my vertex is 2/5. The leading coefficient is negative 1/2. So I can state the quadratic function in the vertex form by remembering all that information and stating that y is negative 1/2 times x minus 2/5 quantity squared minus 48/25.